Here the question states, the chart below shows the data of the number of cars bought by millennials and Gen X people in a country from year 2010 to 2020, as well as the yearly fuel consumption of the country in million liters. Now, if you observe this graph, they have clearly given Gen X buyers are the yellow color one and millennials are the blue color one in 2010, then 2015 year, then 2020th year. Fuel consumption is this line. This line they have given, this is the fuel consumption. Fuel consumption is in the left hand side, and right hand side number of people buying cars they have mentioned. Now, considering the data presented in the chart, which one of the following option is true? So they have given us 4 options. Based on this chart, we have to find among these 4 options which one is true. Let us go one by one. Let's say the option A. The percentage increase in fuel consumption, so they are talking about fuel consumption from 2010 to 15 is more than the percentage increase in fuel consumption from 15 to 20. So we have to compare 10 to 15, how much percentage increase is there? 15 to 20, how much percentage increase is there in the fuel consumption? Let us talk about 10 to 15 first. If you see 10 to 15, the fuel consumption is this line 1. So 10, the fuel consumption was 50 liters. Now, in 2015, it became how much? 60 liters. So from 50 to 60. So how much increase is there? So percentage increase from 50 to 60. So how much percentage increase is there? We are talking about from 2010 to 2015. So if you see 50 to 60, from where it is increasing? 50. How much it is increasing? 10. So difference by actual value into 100. So it is 1/5, or you can say this is 20% increase. So from 10 to 15, it is 20% increase in the fuel. Now let us talk about 15 to 20. If you talk about 15 to 20, fuel consumption in 15 was 60 liters, and in 2020 the fuel consumption was directly 90 liters. So it is increasing from 60, it is directly going 90 in from 15 to 20. So from where it is increasing? From 60, actual value in the denominator. How much it is increasing? Difference. So 30 it is increasing. 30 by 60 into 100. You can say half. Half means it is 50% increase. So here 20% fuel consumption increase, here 50% increase. Now if you see the statement what they have given, percentage increase in fuel consumption from 10 to 15, which we got, it is 20%, is more than the percentage increase in fuel consumption from 15 to 20. This we got 50%. Is 20% more than 50? No. So this becomes a wrong option. Now going to option B. Let us talk about option B. Option B, they are saying increase in the number of millennial car buyers from 15 to 20 is less than the decrease in the number of Gen X car buyers from 10 to 15. So 15 to 20, millennials will mention as M and Gen X will mention as G. Okay, so for M we have to see 2015 to 2020, and for Gen X car buyers we have to see from 2010 to 2015. Now let's see the values what they have given, the data what they have given. 15 to 20, how much increase is there for millennial car buyers? So 15 to 20. This is the value of number of people who are buying the cars. Now, there first we will talk about what we are talking about. Millennial car buyers. Millennial car buyers, that is from 15 to 20. From 15 to 20. 15 to 20. Millennial car buyers means the blue color one. Here it is how much? We can say it is here, that is 45,000. Am I right? It is between 40 and 50. 40,000 and 50,000 means this is 45,000 and this is 60,000. So 45K to 60K. So how much increase is there? It is from 45K to 60K. That is from 15 to 20. 45K to 60K. 45,000 to 60,000. It is actually increases how much? We can say 15K increases there in millennial car buyers. Now talking about the Gen X decrease from 10 to 15. From 10 to 15, Gen X decrease if you consider. Gen X means yellow color one. From 10 to 15, how much decrease is there? It was 40K? No. 40,000, yes, 40K. And then it became 30K. So 40K to 30K, that is only 10K. 10K decrease is there. So second one is actually from 40K to 30K, which is equal to 10K decrease. Now what they are saying, read the statement. Increase in number of millionaire car buyers from 15 to 20, this value is less than the decrease in the number of Gen X car buyers. Is this value less than 10K? No. So the second also becomes, option B also becomes wrong. Now let's see the option C. The increase in number of millennial car buyers. Now we are talking about option C. The increase in the number of millennial car buyers from 10 to 15. So millennium we are mentioning as M. Okay, M we will find from 10 to 15. That is 2010 to 2015. Okay, then Gen X we are mentioning as G. That is decrease in the Gen X from 10 to 15. 2010 to 2015 we already have Gen X over here. So no need to write this. This is already here. Okay, this we know it is 10K. The decrease is 10K. Now 10 to 15 millennial car buyers we'll see. 10 to 15 millennial car buyers, that is 10 to 15. It was in 10, it was how much? It is exactly in this line, which is 20K, and then it became how much? 45K. So 20K to 45K. It became 20K to 45K. Means how much increase is there? It is 25K increase is there. So they are saying the increase in the number of millennial car buyers 10 to 15, that is 25K, is more than the decrease. This value is more than the decrease, the number of Gen X car buyers from 10 to 15. So it is more than 10K. Yes, it is more than 10K. So no doubt option C is correct. Now let us talk about option D. The decrease in number of Gen X car buyers from 15 to 20. Gen X from 15 to 20. From 15 to 20, that is Gen X. Decrease 15 to 20 Gen X we haven't find. So let us find Gen X from 15 to 20. 15 to 20, how much it is? Gen X we are talking about. Gen X car buyers means the yellow color one. It is 15 to 20. It is from directly 30K. It became 25K because it is in the middle of 25 and 30, yellow color one. So 25K, 30K to 25K. It is becoming directly 5K. So it is 5K. So it is 5K. Here, this fourth one. So we can say this is 5K. This value is 5K. Decrease in the number of Gen X car buyers from 15 to 20, it is 5K, is more than the increase in the number of millennial car buyers from 10 to 15. Millennial car buyers, that is 25K. So is this 5K more than 25K? No. So obviously our last option is also wrong. So correct option among them is option C. According to the given data, statement C is the correct answer.